Mastering the M dash, the punctuation superhero. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a very special punctuation mark, the M dash. It's a versatile and often overlooked piece of punctuation that can add variety and depth to your writing. So, get ready to become an M dash expert. An M dash, often just called a dash, is a long horizontal line, used in writing. It's longer than a hyphen, and an N dash, hence the name M dash. The M dash can be used in several different ways, which we'll dive into shortly. But what makes it truly unique is its ability to add a dramatic pause or insert an abrupt change in thought, much stronger than a comma, a colon, or parentheses. The M dash is like a Swiss Army knife. It has multiple uses. Here are the main ones. 1. To create a strong break in sentence structure. It can add a pause for emphasis, or show an interruption. Example: I was going to make a sandwich, until I saw the empty bread box. 2. To insert additional information. It can be used instead of parentheses or comma to add extra information. Example: the final match, held under the dazzling stadium lights, was a sight to behold. 3. To signify an abrupt change in thought or an afterthought. Example: do you want to go to the... Wait, did you just say we won the lottery? Each of these uses gives your writing a different flavor, which is part of the beauty of the M dash. It's versatile and can adjust to the tone of your writing. Remember, an M dash is stronger than a comma, an N dash, or parentheses. So, you should use it when you want to create a significant break in the flow of the sentence or draw attention to the added information. While M dashes can be used in pairs like parentheses, they can also be used alone, unlike parentheses. Here's how. Example: the biggest problem with the proposal, the complete lack of research, made the investors wary. Notice that when using two M dashes like this, it's similar to using parentheses. But the dash adds more emphasis to the added information. And that's a wrap on the M dash. This punctuation mark might seem small, but it can greatly improve your English writing skills. Remember to use it wisely, add emphasis and drama where needed, but don't overdo it. Thank you for joining us today, and keep exploring the amazing world of English grammar. Happy learning!